Hello. It's another mostly cloudy day to come across the UK today. We do have a little bit of patchy rain to contend with, particularly across the far northwest of Scotland, where some patchy rain will come and go through the day. The risk of a few isolated showers in other northern and western parts of the UK, but otherwise it will remain mostly dry, and we may even see some brightness later today across the far south and east of England in particular, but for many areas remaining cloudy. It will be rather windy at times in the north too, with winds perhaps just touching gale force across the far north at times. Elsewhere though, winds light to moderate, and it won't feel quite as cold as it has done in recent days, with highs of around 4 to 8 degrees Celsius. Tonight remaining mostly cloudy across the UK. We will see a few breaks in the cloud, particularly once again down across the south and the east of England, so across the southern half of England and perhaps some parts of southern Wales too. We may well see a few patches of frost in rural areas, but the main thing to watch out for tonight is the risk of some mist or fog developing. That fog could become quite dense and may well take some time, even tomorrow morning, before it clears away. Elsewhere, mostly dry, apart from across the north of Scotland and eventually across western and central parts of Scotland, where we will see some thicker cloud and some patchy rain moving in. Lows tonight of around 1 to 6 degrees Celsius. And then looking ahead to Tuesday, it's a relatively similar day to Monday. We have some cloud and patchy rain in the north, but that will push a little bit further south during the day into Northern Ireland, as well as the rest of Scotland and eventually into the north of England too. Elsewhere, it will remain mostly cloudy, some early fog around, perhaps slow to clear, particularly across the southeast, but elsewhere it will remain mostly dry through the day, that cloud staying in place and any sunshine really at a premium. Highs tomorrow very similar to today at around 4 to 8 degrees Celsius.